Let's talk about the project that everybody uses, but nobody talks about. It's your boy Soap Guys TV. Millie, I'm back with another one. So I wanted to talk about Dextools family because I feel like Dextools is a sleeper. Right now, Dextools is sitting at 29 cent. The market cap family is only 27 million, and literally everybody uses every Degen, should I say, every Degen uses Dextools. The fully diluted market cap is 59 million, and the circulating supply here is 93 million of 200 million. I think the biggest concern here with Dextools is pretty much everybody. The biggest question is actually is what is actually the crypto used for it. We know what Dex tools is used for, but what is actually the crypto used for? Like, is it really needed? It's not like Coin Market Cap has a token. It's not like CoinGecko has a token. So I think a lot of people question the I'm saying, the reasoning behind Dex tools actually having a crypto. But at the end of the day, we see Pancake Swap with a token, we see Uniswap with a token. It's not actually a decentralized exchange. It literally is, family, a place. It's like a crypto hub. I mean, every degen that I know uses Dex tools for something, whether it's to do research, whether it's to find gems. I believe you can even buy crypto if you connect your wallet. I've never actually connected my wallet and used Dex tools to purchase crypto, but I believe you can. It's pretty much a one-stop shop hub, and they even have a deflationary aspect to their project. As you can see here, the burn dashboard will be incorporated if it's not already incorporated. I believe they just did a huge burn here on March 10th. So everybody was talking about the huge burn. So it's literally like, 91,000 followers. Everybody used this project, yet nobody talks about the actual crypto for this project. So me personally, I feel like it's going to be huge in the next bull cycle. I feel like it's going to be a sleeper, family. I feel like this project can easily, reach a 100, $200 million market cap, and that's easily, and at the end of the day, if we zoom out, the all-time high here was around 80, 85 cents. So it already did a 3x. At one point, it was 10 cent, well, 8 cent. Sheesh. It already did a 3x, 4x is at what, 30 cent. The lows is around 8 cents. So I would just keep my eye on Dex tools because literally everybody uses it. Nobody actually talks about the crypto project aspect to it, but there is a token for Dex tools. So if you're interested in, decentralized finance and, finding a project that what they call here the ultimate DeFi trading app, I believe that there is a I believe that there is a utility here or use case here for Dex tools, and the more popular it gets, I believe the bigger the project, the bigger the token is. I actually want to pull up the link tree here. It doesn't look like it wants to pull up. It's giving me a hard time here. Well, we'll check out the link tree in another video. I just want to, do a quick video for you guys because I was keeping my eye on this project and I was like, nobody talks about Dex tools, yet everybody uses it. So, I mean, why can't this project 50x, 100x? I think it can. I think it can. I think it's a sleeper. I think you should keep your eye on it, not financial advice. And I think that it's a small cap that could possibly do some big things in the next bull cycle. So y'all let me know what y'all think about Dex tools. I do apologize that the website couldn't pop up here. I don't know why the website wouldn't pop up. Maybe my computer is going slow, but we'll do a full review of it. I just wanted to, throw y'all that curveball and kind of get your opinion on it. Let me know what you think in the comments if you've already invested in the Dex tools, and let me know if y'all want me to do a full review on it. It's your boy Soap Guys TV. Millie, I'm out.